How to connect Instagram to Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on your device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now simply tap on account center. Now scroll down and tap on profiles. Now tap on add account. Now in Now enter your email address and password. Now simply tap on login. Now wait for some time. Now tap on not now. Now click on confirm account. Again tap on continue. Now tap on allow. Now enter the code from email address. Now copy the code and go back to Facebook. Now paste the code and tap on continue. Again tap on allow. Now go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.